Everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, you guys, we will be making some baked ranch pork chops. You guys, this is a very simple recipe for those of you that may be just learning how to cook, or you're needing to fix something that's very quick and it's simple. This is the recipe for you, and it is very, very delicious as well. The ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe, of course, we're going to need some pork chops, and I have some beautiful pork chops that I've already washed. They're kind of thin cut, they're not too thick, but I've already washed them off and I've dried them. And I love the pork chops with the bone in. You get so much flavor when you use pork chops that have the bone that's left in. And then to that we have some oil, and I've added a little dollop of butter, because what we're going to do is take this oil and butter, we're going to simply mix in some of this ranch salad dressing mix, and then I'm going to add to the oil and butter also some parsley flakes and a little bit of black pepper. You guys, that's it. And then once we get these pork chops seasoned up, we're going to put them in the oven and let the oven do the rest of the work, okay? So my oven is preheating to 425 degrees. So hopefully, well, it has already reached the temperature, I think. So it's already preheated. I'm going to take this ranch packet. I'm just going to open it. And I'm not going to worry about trying to melt this butter. I keep butter sitting out on my countertop all the time. So although it's not melted, it is very soft already, so I think I can mix it up easily with this oil and this ranch packet. So I'm going to take this ranch packet, I'm going to add it in here with the oil, and then once we have it all in, we're going to add some parsley, just some dried parsley. And then to that, we'll just be adding some crushed black pepper. Now I'm just going to mix this all together. Goes my oven. It is preheated, and I want this just a little bit looser, so let me add just a little bit more. I'm using some extra virgin olive oil, so I'm going to add just a little bit more so it'll be easy to spread on the pork chops. Okay. So now that I have that added, I'm going to line my pan with some foil, because I don't want to have to do too much cleanup. stick. I'm going to spray it. Okay, now I'm going to take my mixture and get it all over my pork chops. You guys, this is so simple. And I love the fact that I only needed really just a couple of ingredients. I didn't have to season my pork chops like I normally season them. Trying to make sure I get every inch of these pork chops covered in the seasoning. Now that we've got them all seasoned, we're getting ready to put them in the oven. Again, my oven temperature is set to 425 degrees. Okay, you guys, these pork chops have baked for 25 minutes. Aren't they beautiful? And now I'm going to set the oven on broil. And I'm going to broil them for maybe about another 5 minutes. Let's see what they're looking like on the other side. Beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just leave them on this side. Let me turn this around because they seem to be browning a little more towards the back. And let me turn. Let me zoom in so y'all can see these pretty pork chops. Okay, and I'm going to turn him back over. So again, I have my oven set on broil now, and we're just going to let these brown for just a couple of minutes. As a matter of fact, I'm going to set my timer for just maybe just a couple of minutes, because honey, I don't want to forget these pork chops in here and burn them. And I'm going to keep a close eye on them. Don't they look delicious? Well, you guys, I'm home alone. Dude number 1 is not here. Dude number 2, you guys know, is gone to school. So I have finished these delicious pork chops. I guess I have to eat them all by myself. Yeah. They're good, y'all. Look. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I already look forward to you joining me again next time. Bye. Push the nosy. Shake something. Bye.